Hey, have you ever wished Python could just run faster without learning a new language or summoning ancient compiler magic? Well, guess what? Meta heard your prayers and dropped Pyrefly. It's like new Marvel hero. It's fast, it's fly, and no, it doesn't actually fly. But your Python code met after this. So, what is Pyrefly? It's made a new shiny Python compiler that converts your regular OL Python into super optimized machine code using LLMVM. That's basically a tech gym for your code. It's written in Rust, compiles Python into fast binaries, and works with Python 3.8 plus. No weird syntax changes, no dark rituals, just Python, but faster. Okay, but what can you actually do with Prefly? You can run your Python code basically fast, great for data science, AI, and any compute heavy tasks. Speed up loops usually make Python cry. Works with exciting Python code so you don't have to rewrite your life. Basically, it's like giving your Python a Red Bull. So, should you care about Prefly? If you like Python but hate waiting, yes. If your code slower than your Wi-Fi on Monday, yes. And if you just want to flex that your Python runs like C++ without all the semicolons, then yeah, Prefly is your new BFF. Anyway, that's Prefly in 2 minutes. Like the video, subscribe the channel and comment below your thoughts.